principles that apply with windows also apply with doors. So excellent question. That is true. All the same principles apply with one caveat. So not only windows, you got to see through them. Doors, we want to walk through them.
Yeah, right.
Crazy. What are these architects going to come up with next? And so because we have this, we want to be able to walk through our doors, we got to be careful at the sill.
Right.
From impact.
This area down here would now be, this would be the ground.
We're going to step on this stuff.
Step on this.
So we want to make sure that we protect our control layers from the physical impact damage that we're going to get. And actually behind you, I can see a piece of sill flashing. So you would set something like this in at a door.
So this would end up going on top of your soft flashing?
Exactly, on top of your, so we call this a membrane sill flashing, and this is a metal pan flashing, and it would go on top, and its role in this is not really water management. Its role is to physically protect the membrane underneath it. So if you do that, you don't need to tie it into the jam flashing, or you just set it. Set it in there and leave it.
Don't set it in a bead of caulk.
If you caulk it, which you might want to do to keep it in place, only do so at the very back, because we want to be able to drain underneath it.
Gotcha.
Now, if you have to set through it, if you've got to, because you're going to have to nail or fasten the threshold mechanically into the structure.
Yep.
So the best thing to do then is to pre-drill your fasteners and fill it with pookie, and then put the fastener in again.
Beautiful. Okay. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.